In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Shopify store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your store from a private, password-protected setup to a live site that anyone can visit. Start by opening your Shopify store. That simply means signing into your Shopify admin and landing on your main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This is your storefront area, and it's where you control how your site appears to visitors. When a store is new, Shopify automatically protects it with a password so only you can see it while you build. That's normal and helpful during setup, but it also means the public can't access your store yet. To publish your store, you'll notice a prompt letting you know you need to pick a plan before you can proceed. This is required because removing the password, essentially making your store live, is only available once a plan is selected. All Shopify plans allow you to publish your site, so choose the one that fits your current needs. You can usually adjust your plan later as your business grows. If you're on a trial, keep in mind you can build and preview your store, but you won't be able to publish it until a plan is selected. Confirm the plan, follow the on-screen steps, and return to your online store section. Once you've selected a plan, you'll see the option to remove the password. Look for the password protection area within your online store settings. Click the option to remove or disable the password and save your changes. This is the switch that makes your storefront visible to the public. Before you finalize, you can review the password page message if you previously customized it, but the key action here is turning the password off and saving. Now it's time to see your store live. Open your storefront in a new browser tab. If you want to double-check what customers will see, use an incognito or private window so you're not viewing a cached version. If the password page still shows, refresh the page or clear your cache, and then try again. It can take a moment for changes to reflect. That's it. You opened your store, went to Online Store, selected a plan, so you're allowed to publish, removed the password, and confirmed your site is live. Keep this process in mind anytime you need to toggle visibility, like when running a soft launch or pausing temporarily. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.